Incorporating inspection into the manufacturing process can help verify that Autodesk PowerMill parts are machined accurately and comply with quality requirements. Using Autodesk PowerInspect allows the measurement of components throughout the production process, helping to produce high-quality parts. Autodesk PowerInspect is hardware-independent inspection software, supporting a variety of measuring devices from a range of inspection hardware providers. Measurement sequences are created easily, with a range of CAD interrogation tools making the measurement of geometric shapes and complex freeform surfaces simple and straightforward. Measurement sequences from PowerInspect can be integrated into CNC machining workflows, with simulation and automatic collision detection and avoidance building confidence that sequences will run successfully. Automated part alignment can produce a quick, accurate and consistent setup prior to running PowerMill toolpaths. Part verification whilst the component is still in the machine can be used to check accuracy before moving to subsequent operations or final inspection. Unexpected variation can be detected and remedied immediately, minimizing costs and improving efficiency. Non-contact devices such as laser scanners can be used, allowing scan data to be taken directly on the component and points compared to the CAD model. With clear and accurate reporting, Autodesk PowerInspect provides validation for parts machined in PowerMill, helping achieve the required quality goals.